Today we will do the problem on the square pyramid resting on the corner. Take up this problem now. This is the question. You can see a square pyramid. You can just read the question now. It's a square pyramid, 35 mm side of base and 60 mm axis length. It rests on one of its base such that two base edges containing the corner on which the corner rests makes equal inclinations with the HP. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis of the pyramid is inclined to HP at 40 degree and appears to be inclined at 45 degree to VP. So resting on the corner. Is a question on the square pyramid resting on the corner. So this is the position. In the first position, it is resting on the corner. So let us draw the top view of the pyramid like this, and corner A should come to our right side. That is the first starting position. Start with the top view, resting on the corner A. Then the front view will be the front view of any pyramid is a triangle. So in the front view, we will get the triangle and axis height is given as 60. In the second position, the axis is inclined at an angle of 40 degree. Axis is inclined at an angle of 40 degree. So we have to rotate the first front view such that axis makes an angle of 40 degree. Then project down to get the second top view. This is the second top view. Here, when you see from the front view, top of the front view, when you see from the top of the front view like this, we cannot see the point A1 dash, A dash. So all the lines passing through A dash should be invisible here and the top view. A1 to D is invisible, A to B is invisible, and A to O is also invisible, but here it is a continuous line because the line joining C to O overlaps AO. So because of CO, AO is appearing as a continuous line, otherwise it should have been the invisible edge. Three edges should have been the invisible edge. In this case, we can mark only two, A to D and A to B as invisible edge. A to O, because it's overlapping, we cannot see the invisible edge. We can see only the OC. We can see only the OC. Now in the third position, we have to tilt the second top view such that axis makes an angle of 45 degree. Copy and move such that OO1 makes an angle of 45 degree. It appears to make an angle of 45 degree. Just rotate the second top view at an angle of 45 degree and project up and get this final front view. Final front view. Okay. Let us go to SolidWorks software now. Draw the, what is the size of the square prism? 35 mm base. So start with the horizontal line, XY line. Name it as XY. VPHP. then 35 mm square, right? So 35 mm is the square given. Go to this rectangle command, type width as 35, height also as 35, angle should be 45 degree because it's resting on the corner. Angle should be 45 degree. Size thickness of the line should be dark line. Select it and make it dark line. Okay. Now let me zoom it. Now name it. Because it's a pyramid, top view of the pyramid, you must join this by a dark line. All the diagonals should be joined by the dark line. In pyramid, you must do it. If you don't draw it, it will become the top view of a prism. This is very important. Now name it. So this is A, B, C, and D, and this is O within the bracket O1. Then go to line command. Draw the vertical from A, 0.20 thickness. Projection vertical line from D again, and from C one vertical line. Here this line is not vertical. Let us delete this. Go to line command. Trim the extra lines. Don't keep any extra line. Then what is the height of the pyramid? Axis of the pyramid is 60 mm. So take a line command. 0.5 mm thickness from the center. Height take 60. 60, angle 90 degree, enter. Then draw a dark line from the apex to this base, then here to here one line, and again from here to here one line, then from here okay. Now again name it. So this will be A dash, this will be C dash, this will be B dash within the bracket D dash, B dash within the bracket D dash, comma O1 dash. O1 dash is also will be there. So here it is B dash in the bracket D dash, comma O dash, enter. Then do the dimensioning. Use the smart command. This is 60 mm and this is 35 mm. So we want to mark the, not this dimension, we want to mark the length of the base of the square. Select it. Now again go to select command, select the front view like this, draw the rectangular fence around the front view then move, copy on. Important thing is you have to move from this axis point, center point, because axis inclination 40 degrees given. So move from the axis point and keep it on the XY line. Come out, then check here, axis inclination is 40. So go to rotate command, copy off, switch off the copy. The axis, bottom of the axis is the center of rotation. This is the point to rotate from. Rotate by an angle of 40 degree and position also 40 degree. Enter. Now it has come down. For that, what you have to do again, go to move command, switch off the copy, move from this point and keep it on the XY line. Done. Now draw the vertical line. This is A dash. And the extra line. So this point is A dash, right? So now this is A dash, and this should be A now here. A. Then go to line command, draw another projection line. Draw the horizontal from D. Remove the extra line. Name this point. This is D. Then scroll down. Draw the horizontal from B. Draw the horizontal from B. Then extend this projection line from here to here. You can see when you scroll on this line, it is project extending. Then do it. Then trim the unwanted line. Trim the unwanted line. Then go to line. This. Now name it. This is B. This is B. This is C. Then command, draw the vertical from this line, apex. These two should align. Draw the vertical from the unwanted line, and this will be O dash or O. Here actually we cannot see BD. We'll remove this BD. Only O dash will be there. Only O dash will be there. Now take a line command, make it 0.5 mm thickness. Start from the point A. Start from the point A. This is B. Join sequentially. B to C, C to D, D to A. Then join base to the apex. That is, draw a line from D to O and O to B. Then A to O. Then go to select command, select this line, make it line of dashes. It's a invisible edges. This point is O1. We'll go to the third position. In the third position, axis appears to make an angle of 45 degree. So draw a line, go to line command, 0.13 thickness from this point to minus, this is minus 90 plus 45 minus 135. Right type minus 135 is the angle. Length is free length, draw it some length. Then go to select command, select the second top view, then move, copy on, move from the point O, this point, keep it on this 45-degree line, come out and right click. Then again rotate it. There is some correction, I'll do it again. Go to this, select the second top view by drawing a rectangular fence. Then move, copy on, copy is already on. Move from this end point, then keep it on the XY line, come out and right click. Then again rotate. This is the center of rotation. This is the point to rotate from. So the second top view is rotated at an angle of 45 degree to the XY line like this. Now we'll project up and we'll get the final front view. Draw the vertical from A. And horizontal from A dash. So name this point as A dash. Immediately name it to avoid the confusion. A dash. And command. Then go to B. Draw the vertical from B. Horizontal from this point. and trim this, name this point as B dash, then comes a C dash, C dash, this is B. This is D dash, this should be B dash within the bracket, D dash, then go to line command, take dark line 0.5 mm thickness, start from A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, C dash to A dash, D dash to A dash. This is the base of the pyramid. Now go to line command, draw the horizontal from O dash from the second front view, draw the vertical from the third top view. Both are meeting here. Name it as this is O dash. Then go to line command, 0.5 A dash to O dash, O dash to B dash, then this point to this point, and this point to this point. So D is the farthest point. When you look from here, that D is the farthest point in the base. So line passing through D should be invisible. So for that, what we'll do, we'll make this as a invisible. Actually, 3 line passes through D. That is D dash to O dash, D dash to A dash, and D dash to C dash. But D dash to C dash and D dash to A dash are outer edges. Outer edges always visible. So we don't make it as a line of dashes. We keep it as it is. This is the end of the question. Okay.